Welcome back to the Law Unscripted. Today we are doing the group study session for criminal procedure, which means we are doing a hypo.
I'm pumped. These are my favorite. I love the hypos.
First, at trial, the driver moves to suppress all evidence in the car against him. Is he likely to succeed?
Okay.
2, the driver also moves to suppress the cocaine found in his pocket. Is he likely to succeed? 3, at her trial, the passenger moves to... It has to have a passenger, right?
Yes.
We got to do a traffic stop.
Yes.
Okay, so the passenger moves to suppress all of her statements made at the traffic stop and the statements made at the station. Is she likely to succeed?
So at the stop and at the station?
Correct.
Okay.
4, the passenger also moves to suppress the evidence located in the car and the gun on her person. Is she likely to succeed? And then if we have extra time and for extra credit, we've got a criminal law question thrown in here.
Oh, okay.
Because it's criminal procedure, so we got to do criminal law.
Oh, I love it.
Is the extra credit question is, do you believe that either the driver or passenger could be found guilty of any crime based on any evidence admissible at trial?
Okay, perfect.
So there we go.
I love it.
That's what we have. And now for your traffic stop.
I'm ready.
Here we go. On a hot night in July, officers arrested a male and female during a traffic stop. That night, a bolo had gone out for a blue car driven by a black male with a white female passenger in the vicinity of the stadium. An informant had called into the station to say that the people in the... Gotta have an informant.
I was going to say, of course. Of course.
It's going to be continuously. Of course. So our informant had called into the station to say that the people in the car were dealing drugs and would be engaged in a drug deal under the bridge after picking up their drug supply at the stadium. A field training officer, an FTO, and his trainee, were in a police cruiser near the stadium at the time the call went out. They spotted a blue Honda Civic being driven by a black male with a white female in the front passenger seat. They followed the car, which was headed in the direction of the bridge. When they arrived at the bridge, they witnessed the car stop, saw the driver get out and approach a man standing under the bridge. They witnessed what they believed to be a drug deal because they were familiar with the area, knew it was a high crime area where drug deals were often made under the bridge. How you doing so far?
I'm already mad. No, I'm just playing.
You love and hate me, I know.
I love these.
See, and the fun thing is, I came up with this.
Yes.
It's exciting. Okay.
It is. I'm pumped.
The officers put on their lights and sirens to initiate a traffic stop based on their belief that a drug deal was occurring.
Okay. So no independent traffic issue.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay.
That is a great start to this question. That is a really good point to argue in the motion to suppress.
My first thought.
Yes. Is there an independent basis for the traffic stop?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Okay. When they did so, the man under the bridge fled on foot with something in his hand. The FTO sent out a request for backup to search for the man under the bridge who was wearing a black hoodie with red sneakers and blue jean shorts. Both officers approached the vehicle and asked for the driver and passenger to raise their hands above their heads. The male did so and then knelt on the ground. The FTO went to the male and handcuffed him, making him sit under the bridge.
Okay, so let me, as I'm taking notes on this, because for everyone watching here at home, this is live. I've not read it before, and I do not have it in front of me. So I'm taking notes.
Totally a surprise.
So they stopped the car, just to make sure I wrote this down correctly, because this is obviously important to the series of events that follows. Stopped the car, asked them to get out of the car, asked them to put their hands up. Then the male was handcuffed. Correct. In that order.
Exactly. Okay. Very good. Yes, that's exactly what has happened.